Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video I want to show you how to become a VIP on Poppo Live. Being a VIP comes with a lot of exclusive benefits, so let's see how we can actually become a VIP. It's very quick and easy. So the first step you have to take is, of course, open your Poppo Live app, and then you have to head to your Poppo Live profile. Right, so in the profile area you find this VIP section right there. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on it, here you're going to find different types of VIP to join. So we have the normal VIP, we have the super VIP, we have diamond VIP, and we have X VIP. Right, so and then they have different requirements of joining. The normal VIP is very easy to join. You are only required to pay 95,000 coins, right? And it goes on and on, increasing until you get to X VIP, which is the most expensive. You need 12,990,000 coins to join. All right, so if you want to join any of these, from the bottom of your screen you'll find this open whatever VIP you want to join. So I'll just click on open normal VIP. Once I click on that, here it says send 95,000 coins to join normal VIP. All right, so just click on the confirm, and then you have to now select the amount of coin that you want to purchase, and then once you make your payment you will join the VIP. So for example, we are required to purchase 95,000 coins, so I have to select 70. Then after paying for the 70, I still have to come and purchase this other 21, so that it will be up to 90, and I still have to purchase this other one so that it will be above 95. Right, so once I'm able to purchase all this coin and I pay successfully, then I'll become a VIP. All right, so that's how I can actually do it, and you can do that for any of these VIP type. All right, so that's how I can do it. This is how you can actually become a VIP on Poppo Live. If this video was helpful, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.